Hey, hello everyone. How are you today? My dear listeners, my dear friends, my dear subscribers, I remain my humble servant, Detokumbo Mike from the Genius FS. Yeah, I'm here again to do what I know how to do best. It's been a while. I just want to show us this strategy which I use to enter this position just this afternoon. As you can see, we took this entry at 31 at 31.55. As you can see, we took this entry at 31.55. We took it at 31.55. Okay, just today, as you can see, and then the market continued to favor us, continue to go in our favor. I share this signal at my VIP signal group, and then everybody was cashing out. Okay, this strategy is as simple as ABC. If you watch this angle, you are going to realize that there is a fractal, and then if you watch this angle also, you are going to realize that there is also a fractal. Okay, now we took the market, we took the entry right from this angle. Okay, we took the market right from this angle. Okay, when we realize that our market has already break the first fractal here. Okay, then the candle that break the first fractal here has already passed this envelope line. Okay, now we took our entry right immediately. Our market continues to go in our direction. We first put our stop loss around here, around this place. That's our stop loss. Then market continues to go in our favor. As you can see, we are at almost 400 pips just this afternoon with 0.01. With 0.01, as you can see. So let me show you a very clear example of how we use this strategy. Look at this fractal here. That is the fractal for sell. Okay, and look at this fractal here. That is the fractal for buying. Okay, whenever you see a fractal that shows up, it's simply telling you it is a sell fractal, and whenever you see a fractal that shows down, that point arrow to the down, simply telling you it is a buy fractal. Now we are going to wait for we're going to wait for this candle price action to break this envelope, as you can see. Then we are going to wait for price action to break this fractal. Okay, this fractal here. We are going to wait for price action to break this fractal here. Immediately the price action that break this fractal was this one. Okay, we are going to took our entry right from this place. We are going to enter the market, right? You first use your what's it called, your horizontal line to do your demarcation. That's the fractal for sell. Okay, and then this is a fractal for buying. Okay, then you're going to set your demarcation, and then here is the price action that breaks this envelope. Okay, once the envelope got broken, this is our entry. Okay, we're going to enter market right from that circle. Then it continues to go in our direction. But once you realize that price action touch back or about to cross this envelope, you are going to exit immediately. You are going to exit immediately. Okay, you are going to exit immediately. As far as I'm concerned, this strategy is very simple and it's very, very effective. Okay, now look at what happened this afternoon that gave us this result. Okay, now this is the first fractal around here. This is the first fractal around here. This is the second fractal around here. Then you are going to use your horizontal line. You put one at the first fractal for buying and then first fractal for selling. So we change direction of our horizontal line to this, and we change direction of our horizontal line to this. Now we are going to wait for price action that breaks the first fractal, and then that breaks the price action that breaks the fractal for selling. Okay, and then the price action must also cross this envelope. As you can see, price action cross this envelope, as you can see. Then price action breaks this fractal. Okay, we took our entry, the market went in our direction, just like that. Okay, we first put our stop loss here, but later we lock our profit. As you can see, here is where we lock our profit. When we took our entry right from that candle that breaks this fractal. Okay, and then market continues to go in our direction. And then today I can tell you that this strategy worked best on 15 minutes. I took the entry right from 15 minutes. It worked best on 30 minutes and also worked best on 5 minutes. Okay, I can tell you today that this strategy is simple and it's just like ABC. This is just envelope and a fractal strategy, which I call Evifractal strategy. Okay, it will work for you if you try it. Thank you. I remain myself Ade Tokunbo Mike from the Genius FS. But before I go, here is the settings. Okay, because you guys might be asking me for the settings of the fractal. Fractal comes by default. And here is the envelope. Period is 25. Shift is 0. Deviation is 0.040. Then method is simple. You apply to median price. Okay, apply to median price. Then any color of your choice, you click done. Okay, and it's going to work for you. Thank you very much. God bless you. But before I go, I want to close my position because I'm already at 160 in profit before, but because of this video, it has reduced to 138. Thank you, my guys. I love you all. Really good. Bye.